Welcome to Landscaping Unleashed, where tricks, tips, and top picks come to life. Today, we're going to be talking about soil. It's very important to us and very close to our hearts. It's a part of every project. It's the building blocks, it's the foundation, it's the finishing touch. No matter where you use it in a project, we got you covered.
Let's go see how it's done. It all starts right here. Here at LFX Supply, every batch is made with this commercial grade screener. The material is screened through multiple layers of mesh screens to make sure that all that comes out is nice and clean. We have two different types of loam. We have a heavy loam, which is perfect for grading, for shaping, or for raising a yard. Or we have our sandy loam, mixed with AA-Grade Compost, full of nutrients. Perfect for gardening, for flower beds, or for top dressing. This is the good stuff right here. Look at this, beautiful. Look at this beautiful black compost, loaded with nutrients and organics. Perfect for growing anything you need. What a beautiful operation. And remember, it's not dirt, it's topsoil.